Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch RPS touchscreen special for Kia Optima 2014 to 2015 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, this is the head unit and cables, harness. Okay, let me show harness. You can check this special harness. And this canvas decoder box, and this AVX left and right output, and camera input, this AVX input left and right. This connect back for head unit. Okay. Okay, this is camera input. RC type. There are two USB cable and external microphone. And this radio antenna. And this 4G SIM card slot. And this is 4G antenna. This GPS antenna. And this original USB. And this USB cable. And this video input and AUX input left and right. Okay, and this subwoofer as you type, and audio output left and right, front and rear. Okay. And you can check this DVD player and fixed DVD. Please take out the screw before installing. There are two screws. This radio antenna, this is 4G antenna, GPS antenna, audio out, audio and other connection. This power fuse box. Okay, on the side. Okay, let me connect power and back. with home screw. This same style. Android 11 system. Total 8 GB. Total storage 128 GB. About device, you can check the Android 11 and optical display, DDR 8 GB and 128 GB. These factory settings, password, and you can choose a boot logo, and other settings you can check here. Okay. And built-in the Wi-Fi. And show Wi-Fi icon. You can visit our website belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please visit our website and contact to us. This is card information, and let me check. There are SIM card slots, mobile network for SIM card slots. Already come with head unit. Okay. This radio, and this mute button, this radio. Snap. Volume button. Okay. And this DSP amplifier. Built in the Play Store for download applications from it. This Auto-Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.